Hi, today I've heard of the TCL 40NXTPAPER and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So first we should open the Play Store app, because unfortunately we have no installed by default AOD option. That's why in the search bar we should find the Muviz Edge application. And to get this app now, we should click to install button and just to wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button to open the app. Then just tap to draw over apps. And you'll see here Muviz Edge application. To allow just display over other apps, tap on the switcher and go back to the application. Switch Edge lights to AOD and select one from these options. Tap to apply. Now let's just lock the device. And we could see that the AOD option successfully enabled. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.